Hey everybody, welcome to my live. Please tap on that screen for me. Show your girls some love. So we're gonna get ready to jump into the video. Y'all love the makeup look? What y'all think? So we're going to use the concealer Nicka K Acorn 7. I'm going to use a sponge to blend out the concealer. I'm going to go in with my angle brush. I'm going to use two eyeshadow palettes. One, I'm going to use the Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. Excuse me, eyeshadow palette by I Envy. I'm going to use my fluffy brush. I'm going to use the color dark brown. And I'm going to use it towards the outer corner of my eye. So it's kind of like a smoky eye look that the model is wearing in the thumbnail on YouTube, and then I have the picture right here behind me on TikTok. And then I'm going to go in with the gold. I'm going to go in with the gold Give Me Gold eyeshadow palette, sorry. And I'm going to use the color Legacy, and I'm going to kind of blend it in with the brown. And I'm going to go with my finger, kind of blend it in with my finger a little bit. Then I'm going to switch back to the Make Me Nude, and then I'm going to use this kind of brush here. I'm going to use the color Excitement, and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eye. Alright. Now I'm going to use my long felt tip eyeliner pencil by Ruby Kisses. Now you can start from the end point of the eyebrow, or I usually start in here, but I can start from the end point of the eyebrow to use as my guide. And I'm just blend it in. And now I'm going to just use concealers, no foundation today. I'm going to use one of the Kids Professional and the Nicka K. I'm going to use the Kids Professional Warm Coconut. And This is the KPWC 345 warm coconut, and I'm going to apply that under my eye. And then I'm going to go in and use Nicka K Carto number 06. It's a little bit lighter. I'm just going to apply a little. Don't need a lot. I'm going to let that sit a little bit. And as I let that sit, I'm going to apply my lashes. The lashes are Crystal Glow Marquise lashes by I Envy. And this is how they look. Very natural and not really thick around the rim. Very natural looking. So I'm going to apply a little bit around the rim of the lashes. And the lash glue I am wearing in today's video is the Super Strong Hold 3D in the color Clear. So I'm going to apply these lashes on. So I'm going to get real close to the lash line. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. spray, the Power Grip setting spray. I'm going to spray on my brush, and I'm going to blend it in. And as you guys see, it blends in with my skin tone. It's not too much. I'm going to make sure I go on my forehead. It looks natural. So I'm going to go back in with my Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. I'm going to just add a little bit more of the Excitement and Bare. I'm blend those two colors together because I wanted this part to stand out more. So I'm blending these two colors together. And I'm going to go back in with the dark brown. And then I'm going to go back with the gold eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use Legacy. And I'm going to just blend it in with my finger. And that's it. That's the look that I was going for today. Very natural looking. And use my setting spray. And that's it. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is the finished look. So I hope I did get it close as possible to the model. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste, and my Instagram pages, Modest Transformation by Celeste, and my personal page, SexyRiri_93. And my TikTok is Transformation by Celeste. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. See you guys in my next live.